Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an M16 rifle out of 60 pieces of magic sneak metal. First up, count to 1, 2, and turn this green one towards you. Now count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn this white one towards you. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this white one away from you. Now count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And turn this white one towards you. Now count 3. 1, 2, 3. And turn this green one towards you. Now count 3. 1, 2, 3. And turn this white one up. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this white one up. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this white one towards you. Now count 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn this green one towards you. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this green one towards you. Turn this white one away from you. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this white one towards you. Now count 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn this green one away from you. Now count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn this green one towards you. Now turn this white one to the left. Now count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn this white one towards you. This is what this looks like on either side. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and follow my Facebook page for more videos. Bye!